Introducing the 2025 Audi Q5, a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. With its sleek new design, refined interior, and enhanced driving dynamics, this SUV continues to set the standard in its class. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2025 Q5 commands attention. The bold black exterior, sculpted lines, and signature single-frame grille create a striking presence. Audi's advanced LED lighting technology further adds to the modern, aggressive look, giving the Q5 a distinctive front and rear profile that stands out in any setting. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi Q5 offers a range of efficient yet powerful engines, including a refined turbocharged 4-cylinder and an optional plug-in hybrid variant. Both powertrains deliver a smooth, responsive driving experience, with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive ensuring grip and control in all conditions. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the Q5 offers a balanced and confident ride. Inside, the Q5 is where true luxury reveals itself. Step into a cabin crafted with high-quality materials, from fine leather upholstery to brushed aluminum and natural wood accents. The new model boasts a more spacious interior with improved legroom and cargo space, making it ideal for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. Audi has gone all in on tech for 2025. The Virtual Cockpit Plus is more intuitive than ever, with a high-resolution digital display that puts navigation, vehicle data, and entertainment right at your fingertips. The MMI touchscreen system is sleek, responsive, and integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium audio, wireless charging, and customizable ambient lighting elevate the in-cabin experience. Comfort and convenience have been taken to the next level. Heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and advanced climate control ensure every journey is pleasant no matter the season. Attention to detail is evident in every corner, from the quietness of the cabin to the smooth feel of every control. On the safety front, the 2025 Q5 is loaded with Audi's latest driver assistance technologies. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system provide peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. Audi's pre-sense safety suite can even help detect and mitigate potential collisions before they happen. The rear of the Q5 is just as refined as the front. Sleek LED tail lights, dynamic turn signals, and dual exhaust outlets enhance its sporty yet elegant appearance. Whether parked in a luxury showroom or gliding down the road, the 2025 Audi Q5 embodies confidence and class. In a world where technology and style often compete, the Audi Q5 manages to offer both in perfect harmony. It's not just an SUV, it's a statement. If you're looking for a vehicle that delivers on luxury, innovation, and driving excitement, the 2025 Audi Q5 deserves a spot at the top of your list. Experience the future of premium driving today.